Good evening to everyone. শুভ সন্ধ্যা। ওকে, আজকে আমরা যে চ্যাপ্টারটা করব সেটা হচ্ছে ইনইকুয়ালিটি অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেলস এর লাস্ট পোরশন। ওকে, এবং সেটা হচ্ছে সেশন 5, ইনইকুয়ালিটি অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেলস। বুঝতে পারছো? ইনইকুয়ালিটি অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেলস। আজকে সেই চ্যাপ্টারটাকে আমরা একটি সেশনের মধ্যে শেষ করার চেষ্টা করব। We'll try to finish within this session 5, right? So let us start. First, inequality in geometrical figures. Okay, so geometrical figure এর মধ্যে inequality এই পার্টটা কি? Actually, what is this inequality in geometry? Right? Say at a line segment, say 5 centimeter length AB. Another line segment, say 15 centimeter CD. The কোন line segment এর length বড় আছে? Which one is greater? That means CD is longer in compared to AB. তাহলে তোমরা কিভাবে লিখবে? CD is greater AB. This sign. Okay, this is called inequality sign. Okay, তাহলে তুমি দেখো এটা হচ্ছে লাইন সেগমেন্টের রিগার্ডে। এখন আমরা দেখলাম একটি সার্কেল, এখানে আরেকটা সার্কেল। ঠিক আছে, এই সার্কেল রেডিয়াস ধরো 3 সেন্টিমিটার, এই সার্কেল রেডিয়াস হচ্ছে 1 সেন্টিমিটার। তাহলে রেডিয়াস এটাকে আমি বললাম ক্যাপিটাল আর, এখানে রেডিয়াস বললাম স্মল আর। তাহলে কোন রেডিয়াসটা গ্রেটার হচ্ছে? ক্যাপিটাল আর। ক্যাপিটাল আর ইজ গ্রেটার স্মল আর। বুঝতে পারছো? তো রিগার্ডিং রেডিয়াস, রিগার্ডিং ব্যাসার্ধ। ওকে, সো এরিয়া কি হবে? তাহলে কোন সার্কেলের এরিয়া বেশি গ্রেটার হবে? অফকোর্স দিস সার্কেল। দিস রিগার্ডিং এরিয়া say circle 1 and circle 2. So circle 1 is greater than circle regarding area. আমরা এইভাবে আমরা এই ইনইকুয়ালিটি সাইনটা ইউজ করব। বুঝতে পারছো? তো ইন ট্রায়াঙ্গেল একটা জিনিস দেখে দিচ্ছি শুরু করার আগে। সে অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে 60 ডিগ্রি। বুঝতে পেরেছো? আরেকটা অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে গিয়ে সে 85 ডিগ্রি। তাহলে কোন অ্যাঙ্গেলটা গ্রেটার হচ্ছে? অফকোর্স 85 ডিগ্রি। তাহলে কি লিখবো? দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল ইজ গ্রেটার compared to this one. বুঝতে পেরেছো? তাহলে এই 85 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে গ্রেটার 60 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল। রিগার্ডিং সাইড, রিগার্ডিং অ্যাঙ্গেল আমরা ইনইকুয়ালিটি সাইন ইউজ করব। We will try to use, right? Mainly in this chapter on triangle, we will study the inequality on triangle figure only. Okay, of course আমরা দেখব কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল। সো কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল মানে কি? ডাবল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। এটা কোয়াড্রিল্যাটারাল যদি আমরা করি তাহলে এখানে আমরা দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল পেয়ে যাব। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বেসিক ফিগার? দ্য বেসিক ফিগার ইজ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, রাইট? সো দ্য ইনইকুয়ালিটি চ্যাপ্টার স্পেশালি on the figure will be what? The triangle. So on triangle we will discuss today in detail the inequality part, inequality properties on triangle, right? Theorems on triangles inequality. Okay, theorems mainly দুটো theorems আছে রিগার্ডিং ইনইকুয়ালিটি অন ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। দুটো থিওরাম মেইনলি, আরো থিওরাম আছে। তো দুটো থিওরামস কি কি থিওরামস সেটা আমরা এক এক করে আসছি। We're coming one by one the two theorems. Okay. Which was the first theorem? The first theorem is that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, two sides, so this is triangle, okay, two sides of a triangle are unequal. ধরে নিলাম a side আর a side not equal, that is a b c. ABC is a triangle, okay, unequal. AB not equal to AC. Prove that the angle opposite to longer side, which one is longer in compared to AB and AC? Kunti boro? Here AC longer, AC greater AB, according to the figure I assumed here, okay. So AB হচ্ছে shorter side in compared to AC. AB shorter in compared to AC. So prove that the angle opposite to longer side, that means this angle, say X, right? This angle will be is greater. The longer side angle greater in compared to what? The shorter side, so it is Y. That means you are to prove X is greater Y. You have to prove X is greater than Y. What is X and Y? I assume the value, X degree actually. Okay, the value of the angle, X degree. That is X degree is greater than Y degree. I am telling you again. The longer side is AC, opposite angle will be greater. Opposite angle of the longer side of triangle, any triangle. Scaling means any triangle you may consider. Then will be greater in compared to the shorter side, AB here shorter side, Y. Opposite angle is Y. So you are to prove X is greater than Y. What is given? This condition. So how will you prove it? Okay. Yes, so what happened? Kumar? Hello? What happened, Kumar? Kumar technical? Which answer? Yes, good evening, Kumar. This proof, I'm not sure what you want. বুঝতে পারছি না. Which answer? Okay. Say, to prove this, construct one. Okay. Take a point D on the line BC such that AD is equal to which? AD is equal to AB. It's a construction. Okay. So if AD equal to AB, then the triangle ABD will be what? ABD will be isosceles triangle. Then of course this angle also will be what? X. Understood? This angle also will be X degree. Now what to do? You have to prove X is greater than Y. Right? Say here is in Z degree. Assumed DAC is Z. Right? Assume the value of the angle DAC is Z. Now there is one theorem already we learned. What is that? What is that? sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. This theorem, you have to use this one. That is x is equal to what? X is equal to here z plus y. Understood or not? X equal to z plus y. I think clear? Right? Now, this is equal to sign. Now, consider one example, that is say 10 is equal to 7 plus 3. Correct? 10 is equal to 7 plus 3. Okay. Now, if you omit this 3, will it 7 equal to? No, then 10 is greater than 7. Similarly, 10 is greater than what? 3. That is plus 3. So, individually, this one you can write. Am I right? Same thing you have to use here. Relation you have to find between x and y. So, omit z. Understood? Omit z. Then what you will get? X greater than y. Answer follows to prove. Okay. So, step by step you have to follow. Step by step. Understood? Okay. Come to the next theorem. What is the next theorem? Next theorem is that prove that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Already, you know, you are learning this theorem from class 6, 7. Is not a triangle. That is, to construct a triangle, the sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. Note this. But how will you prove it? Okay, come. That is, I'm writing the theorem in details. I'm drawing it below because right here. Okay. See, it is triangle ABC. Okay. Now, the theorem is that AB plus AC must be greater than BC. That is, sum of any two sides is greater than third side. Consider this choice. Only this? No, there are two more. AB plus BC must be greater than AC. BC plus SC must be greater than AB. You have to prove these three. This is the main triangle inequality. One more thing I forgot to tell you. The previous theorem. See, what is the previous theorem? Okay, previous theorem. 1 minute, just for triangle. This one, say A, B, C. If it is the longer side, this is shorter side. This angle must be what? Greater than this angle. And it is a conversely, it is also true. Converse part. That means, I forgot to tell you, converse part. If the angles, one angle is greater than the other angle, that is, if y is greater than x, then this side also, that is, SC also will be greater than AB. This is called converse part. We proved sides are given, angles are lesser or greater. We proved. Now, if angles are given, lesser or greater, then according to their corresponding opposite sides also will be lesser or greater. Understood? Converse part also true, you'll remember. Now, how will you prove this one? Okay. Construction BA extend up to say D in such a manner that is SC is equal to AD. Join SC. Sorry, DC. Join DC. Okay. That is, you have to extend BA up to the point D in such a manner such that SC is equal to AD. These two sides are equal. Now, since these two sides are equal, of course the triangle ADC is equal to what? Of course, the triangle ADC is what? Isosceles. So, of course, this angle will be equal to what? This angle. Is that it? This angle. Now, assume this angle also say y. Any value, but not equal to 0. So, of course, according to the first theorem, according to this theorem is already open. This theorem, the greater angle will create opposite greater side, right? Here see this angle, that is angle x plus y, the value I am writing, so it is not necessary to give the angle sign. X plus y, of course, greater what? X, is not it? Because xs equal, you are adding with x here another value y, so of course this portion will be greater than x value. Okay, so since this angle, it is an angle, is not it? It is an angle, of course it is an angle. Since angle is greater, opposite side, that is BD, also will be what? Greater this x BC. Understood? That is, greater angle will create greater side. Smaller angle is smaller in compared to x plus y, that is this angle will create BC, smaller side. Right? According to the first theorem. This implies what? BD. BD means what? BA plus AD greater BC. Understood? BA means AB, whatever B. AD is equal to what? AD is equal to AC. That means AB plus AC greater BC. Which part? Only one part we prove. AB plus AC. AB plus AC greater than BC. The same way you have to prove these two. Similarly, we can prove the other. একইভাবে সেটা আমরা দুটো প্রুভ করতে পারি। Now I think clear? Okay. Now we'll start problems. Okay. Problems. We are crying for problems. This is the first problem. What is this? In triangle ABC, angle A is 50. Okay. Draw. A, B, C. Angle A is 50. Okay. B, it is 50. B is 60. So what is the value of C? Angle C. Find out. How will you find? 50 plus 60, 110. Okay, that is 70. 50 plus 60, 110. 110 plus 70, 180. Right? Now, determine the longest and shortest sides of the triangle. Oh, longest and shortest. Which one is the bigger angle? It is the biggest angle for this triangle only. So, this side AB longest. Of course, understood, longest. And shortest, smallest angle is what? 50. Opposite side is what? BC. BC is shortest. Understood? Okay. In a right angle triangle, prove that the hypotenuse is the longest side. But you have to prove. But you have to prove. How you prove it? So draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Right angle at say B. A, B, C. Right? This is the right angle triangle. But we know in right angle triangle, the rest two angles are what? Always acute, isn't it? Of course, acute. Why acute? I'm telling you. It is 90 degree, right? So it is X and it is Y. Since it is 90, so what will be the value of X plus Y? X plus Y always will be 90, isn't it? Because sum of three angles for any triangle is what? 180 degree. Right? Two right angles. So if it is 90, this angle alone, the sum of rest two angles must be 90. One angle cannot be 90 alone. একা কিন্তু কোনো অ্যাঙ্গেল এক্স এন্ড ওয়াই এর মধ্যে কোনো অ্যাঙ্গেল 90 হতে পারবে না, তাহলে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ফর্ম হবে না। সো অফ কোর্স at least one angle, not only one angle, both angle will be less than 90 degree. That means acute angle x will be less than 90 degree, y also will be less than 90 degree. Okay, so if y is less than 90, so of course AB will be lesser in compared to SC. Okay, that is x is less than 90, that is BC will be lesser SC. Understood? Because B angle is 90. Okay, y less than 90, that means AB is lesser than SC, the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side always. Okay, very good. Now, what is the problem? It is another problem. In triangle ABC, first you draw. In triangle ABC, AB is produced to D. Okay. Right? Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, D, C, it is D. So, oh, this side is equal to this side. What is the value of A? 70. This is 70. What is the value of this one? 60. Right? Okay. So find all the values first. So what is this value? 180 minus 60. Is not it? Straight angle? 180 minus 60. So it is 0, 120. right? So this is 120. If this angle is 120 and the triangle ABD is equal to what? ABD is a isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles. So of course these two angles will be equal. So what will be this angle? Say this angle is say x, and of course it is x. So x plus 120 is equal to what? 180. This implies 2x plus 120 is equal to 180. This implies what? 2x equal to 180 minus 120. Is it? That means what? 60. Right? Therefore, x equal to 30. So this angle is 30. This angle is 30 degree. Right? 30. You got this one. What is the value of this angle? 70, 80 is equal to what? 130. 130 and this angle 50. Is it? 50. So 130, 50 is equal to what? 180. Right? Now you got all the values of angles, right? Of angles. Now what to prove? First one, prove that AD greater than CD. AD. Which one is AD? AD is this one, longer one. AD greater than CD. This is the longer side. And what is the value of this angle? Total angle 50 plus 30? 80. For this triangle, it is 70, it is 80, and it is 30. So it will be the longest side. AD must be greater than CD. What is CD? This angle. So opposite angle is what? 70. So of course, what? Here 80 angle 80 degree is greater what? 70. Understood? 80 degree means opposite side AD greater 70 opposite side CD. Roman 2. Opposite side 30. 30 degree is lesser what? 80. So 30 opposite side SC. SC will be less than what? 80. 80. That is AD greater SC. Yes, this is number 2. So we'll get the answer directly by taking the values of the angle. Okay. Next problem. In the given figure, angle B is less than angle A. Angle B less than angle. First you draw. Drawing is important here. Okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, angle B, what's given? Angle B is less than angle A. Angle B is less than angle A. Of course, given angle B is lesser angle A. So this implies what? Angle B is lesser. So of course AO is lesser BO. Understood? From the triangle AOB. From triangle, write down. From triangle AOB. AOB. Right. Again, from triangle ODC. ODC. What is given? Angle C is less than angle C is lesser angle D. C angle. This one is lesser angle D. C is lesser, that means OD is lesser what? OC. Understood? Say number 2. Add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2. AO plus OD is lesser BO plus OC. BO plus OC. Okay. This implies AO plus OD means what? AO plus OD means AD. Lesser BO plus OC, that is BC. I think yes, AD less than BC. Understood? Next one. In the figure, AB greater than AC. Okay. First, what you have to do? Construction, drawing. Drawing must be clear. Okay. If you can draw the geometrical figure clearly, then maximum part of the problem will be solved easily. Can be solved by seeing the figure. AB greater than AC. So in triangle A, B, C. Okay. It is given AB greater than AC. AB greater AC. Correct. If BO and CO are the bisectors. Okay. BO, CO are the bisectors. That means this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. Right? Are the bisectors of angle B and C respectively. Prove that. To prove. What to prove? To prove BO greater than CO. BO greater than CO is to prove. Now what is given? AB, this side is greater than AC. It is the longer side. Okay. Therefore, of course, angle C must be greater than angle B. Understood? Since AB is greater, so angle C will be greater. Right? Since bisectors multiply by half. Understood? This is the technique. Half means divided by 2. The bisectors. Okay. Now, half of C means angle what? OCB. Angle OCB. Right? Greater half of B, angle OBC. I think this have to prove OCB. Oh, this angle. So what is the opposite side? You have to prove BO. So opposite side of OCB, that means OB. OB greater OC. OB means BO, OC means CO. Okay, I wrote reverse, just write clearly. OB greater than OC. From this it implies. That is, longer side will create greater angle. So by using the theorem, you can write this one. So this is the proof. This problem you can do yourself. You'll follow the technique. Okay, already it is given x is greater than y angle. So ABD and SCE are the straight angles. So you will find the interior angles. Understood? And you will try this one. This is important. How you have to do this one? You have to think for this problem. First to draw. Given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That is this triangle AB. Okay. So that AD. Oh, so you have to extend this side up to D. Okay. AD is greater than AB. Right? Okay. Triangle clearly ABC is what? Isosceles triangle. Angle isosceles triangle. Right? Isosceles means if this angle will be x degree, also this angle will be what? X degree. Correct? Now you have to find the relation between this angle and this angle. Okay. Say this is y degree and this is say z. Just assume, it will help you. Okay. It is the for the triangle ADB. For triangle ADB. ADB. Okay, ADB. It is the exterior angle. X is equal to sum of interior to opposite angles. Interior. Okay, y plus z. Now see, same as before. This implies what? X is greater y. Understood? That means by crossing the value z. Understood the trick? Okay, that is I shown you one example. So 15 is equal to 10 plus what? 5. That means 15 greater than 10, 15 greater than 5. Understood? Okay. Now x angle. X angle means which angle? This one is greater angle. So of course AD will be greater, y is smaller, SC. Understood? This implies what? AD greater SC. SC equal to AB. SC equal to AB. What to prove? See, AD greater than AB. Yes, AD greater than AB. You proved. So these are the tricks. You have to follow all these tricks carefully. Okay. Next one. In the adjoining figure, AB greater than SE. D is any point on BC. So that AB greater than AD. Follow this technique and you will be able to do. Otherwise, I will do. Don't worry. Okay. It is homework for you. Next one. SC greater than AB. And AD is the bisector. Okay. Draw it down. ABC is the triangle. A, B, C, right? AD is the bisector of the angles. AD is the bisector. That means what? This angle equal to this angle. Understood? Okay. Now, how will you prove? You have to prove what? ADC. ADC. This angle is greater ADBO. This angle. That is, this angle will be greater this angle. You have to prove this one. Say this angle is Y and this angle is say Z. You can assume. So it is the for this triangle ABD, for triangle ABD. ABD. X and Y are the interior opposite angle. So ADC, this angle will be what? X plus Y. Understood? Angle ADC is equal to X plus Y. Right? Similarly, from triangle ADC, X plus Y, sorry, X plus Z, X plus Z. Angle ADB is equal to X plus Z. Understood? Now, what is given? SC greater than AB. Given SC greater AB. Understood? SC greater AB. SC means this side is greater. So, of course, Y will be greater. Y greater AB. AB is smaller. Z. Okay. Oh, answer came. Add both sides X. X plus Y greater X plus Z. See. X plus Y. This angle is greater X plus Z. This implies what? Write the angles from here. We get the answer. Understood? Technique. Shortcut technique. Okay. What is this angle? So problem. What is this problem? Read. Triangle ABC O is any point in its interior. Okay, this is an important problem. This is one important problem. Draw the picture carefully. Actually, this inequality portion for triangle, it is not so easy. Not so easy, but not so hard. Okay. Initially, you do not get more interest in this portion. ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ইনইকুয়ালিটি। তোমরা প্রথম দিকে কিন্তু খুব একটা ইন্টারেস্ট পাবে না, তো কি করতে হবে, প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। ওকে, প্র্যাকটিস করলে যখন বেসিকটা তোমাদের, because you will, when you will understand the basic things, basic properties, then you will get more interest. Okay, so you have to do all the problems by keeping what, carefully. Okay, by keeping attention, carefully you have to do all this. So first draw. ABC. Right? O is any point. Say here O, join and extend it. Okay. O. Right. Say up to D. According to the figure. So that OB plus OC is lesser AB plus AC. Oh, AB plus AC. So how will you prove it? Now, first you consider the triangle, this one. From triangle ABD, what you can write? AB plus AD greater BD. Understood? Side inequality, triangle side inequality. That is AB plus AD is greater than BD, right? This implies AB plus AD greater what? BD means what? BO plus OD. Understood? Give it number 1. Now consider this small triangle. From triangle ODC, what you can write? OD plus DC greater OC. Is not it? OD plus DC greater OC. Give it number 2. Add number 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. AB plus AD plus OD plus DC greater, see again, AB plus AD, OD plus DC, BO plus OD, BO plus OD plus OC. Okay. So both side OD, OD. Same thing. AB plus AD plus DC. AD plus DC means AC greater BO plus OC. Understood? What to do? AB plus AC, yes, greater. That is reverse way you can write. OB plus OC is lesser AB plus AC. Aspect. Understood? This is one formula actually. By using this formula, we will prove some bigger problem. Next one. What's the next one? This is another theorem actually. Okay. And the theorem actually. In triangle ABC, first you do ABC. All are triangle. Okay. A, B, C. AD is the median. Median means midpoint. Okay. AD is the median. What to prove? You have to prove AB plus AC is greater to AD. You have to prove this. Okay. This is a formula actually. For any triangle, means scalene triangle regarding medians. Okay. Now, how will you prove? How will you prove? I am writing this one here. AB plus AC greater to AD. Okay. আমাকে এখানে construction করতে হবে. Okay. So space will be required here for. Now, extend AD up to say what given E, such that AD equal to DE. This way you have to construct. Okay. Join BE. Join BE. Understood? According to construction, AD equal to DE. Right? And since D is the median, of course, BD is equal to what? C. Okay. Since AD is the median. This is correct. Our aim is to prove this one. So first of all, we have to prove first these two triangles are congruent. Why congruent? You have to prove because you have to BE is equal to SC. Why BE is equal to SC? We have to prove. Coming, we'll see. You yourself will realize why we're going to prove BE is equal to SC first. Okay. In triangle ADC and triangle BDE, what we are getting, see, BD is equal to DC, is it? BD is equal to DC. What is the reason? What is the reason? AD is the median. That means D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of what? BC. Would write the answer. Number 2. AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE according to the construction. According to the construction. Okay. This angle equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Number 3. Angle BDE is equal to angle ADC. Reason? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So by which property you have to use SAS? SAS. Okay. Therefore, by SAS property, angle what? ADC congruent angle BDE. Okay, therefore by CPCTC, what you can write? SC is equal to PA. SC is equal to PE. Okay. Now, see, in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, কি লিখতে পারি? AE, AE, AE is the longer side. That means AB plus BE is greater than AE. AB plus BE greater AA. Understood? AB plus BE from triangle ABE. ABE, right? AB plus what is BE? BE is equal to SC. Now you understood. BC greater AE. AE means what? AD plus DA. This implies AB plus BC greater AD plus DE means what? Both are equal. That is 2AD. See clearly. Understood? I think there is no any doubt. Next, by using this theorem, that is AB plus AC is greater than twice of the median. You have to prove this theorem by using this one. Okay. Prove that the perimeter means what? Sum of three sides. Okay. Perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three medians. Okay. Medians. Triangle ABC. A, B, C. AD first median. BE second median. CF is the third median. Okay. Now, AB plus AC is equal to what? AB plus AC always will be greater than twice of AD. Already proved now. Just now we proved. AB plus AC. Again, AB plus BC. AB plus BC twice of BE. Understood? Again, BC plus AC is greater than twice of FC. Isn't it? Now add all this. Adding all. Give it number 1, number 2, number 3. Adding all. Adding all. Say AB plus AB. That is twice AB. Plus SC, twice SC. Plus BC. Greater twice AD plus BE plus FC. This implies cancel 2 from both sides, that is AB plus AC plus BC greater AD plus BE plus FC. This is the answer. That is perimeter of triangle is greater than sum of its what? Medians. Understood? Next problem. Show that the sum of the three altitudes, sum of is also, we will use one trick. Say altitude means perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. See, first you have to draw the triangle A, B, C. Okay, this is one altitude, right? Say D, A, D. This is another altitude. Say what? E. That is BE. Not only A, this is another altitude. It is F, according to the figure. Okay. Now, see, for any right angle triangle, the hypotenuse always greater than the other two sides, any sides. Hypotenuse always longer. Already proved one theorem. So here all are what? Right angle. Understood? Here all are right angle. That means from ABD, what you can write? ABD. AB greater AD. This trick. Understood? Hypotenuse always longer from any other two sides. This AB is the hypotenuse for the triangle ABD. This one you can write. Okay. Now, okay, I am writing details from triangle ABD. Okay, ABD. You can write AB greater AD. Give it number 1. From triangle FBC. From triangle FBC, BC is greater than FC. Give it number 2. From triangle ABE, that is I'm missing one. No, AB AD. Yes, AB AD. Then BC FC. Then SC. Then you have to find SC. SC means we'll consider triangle AFC. Sorry, AFC. AFC. That is SC greater FC. Understood? You have to select the sides carefully. Sides means triangle. Now add all this. AB, BC, SC. AB plus BC plus SC greater AD plus FC plus, my God, what I did? Again I done mistake. FC 2 times. Selection of triangle. You have to do carefully. Okay. From FBC. I'm coming from the beginning. ABD. ABD. AB greater than AD. BCF. BC greater than FC. Then which side you got? ASC. BC FC. AB AD. Then BE. It will bring BE, is not it? Yes, BE. Where is BE? AB AD. With AB AD. Okay, it is correct. AB in SCFC. That means you will find that okay, I made clumsy, is not it? So three triangles you will get with AB AD BFC. I wrote here FC two times, is not it? By mistake. You will find out the mistake. SC, that is AB BC SC AD FC and BE. It will be BE. You will find the mistake. I am not getting here. Okay. I wrote clumsy. Otherwise, I have to do freshly. You will find out. It is your duty. Okay. I gave you more homework. In a quadrilateral. ABCD. Okay. Hello. You will find this one. Actually, sequentially, serially, you have to select the triangles. I wrote somewhere the vertex, wrong vertex. We'll find out. We'll correct it. Quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. Okay. AB plus BC, four sides. SC plus BD. Oh, diagonals. SC plus BD. Okay. AB plus BC. Use here what? Triangle side inequality. Triangle side inequality. So AB from the triangle ABC. Okay. AB plus BC greater than SC. Right? From this one, BC plus CD. BC plus CD, BD. Okay. From this triangle, AD plus DC. AD plus DC greater SC. Right? Now from this triangle, AB plus AD greater BD. Now add all this. When you add all this, you'll get the answer. Understood? You'll complete. Now, this problem, number 1, When you will complete number 1, Roman number 1, then following number Roman 1, you will do number 2. Okay. Number 2 will follow number 1. And number 2 will, number 3 will follow number 2. But how will you do number 1? Already I have done here. Don't know which one? I am showing you this problem. Yes, that one. This problem. Understood? Already I have done. So the same problem I gave there again. এটা ফলো করে ওই অঙ্কটা কমপ্লিট করবে। ওকে, you'll complete this one. Now this is one more important problem. Oh, this is the last problem, I think. Yes. Okay, last one. I'm doing the last one. This problem will be the last problem for today's class, for today's session, and triangle inequality will finish. Okay, and if you face a problem in any stage, in any step, for any problem, of course you will tell me in the chat, you will send message. I'll try my best to solve. Okay, I'll help you, of course. This is the last problem. First, draw ABC, ABC. Okay, triangle. D is a point on it, on BC here. Oh, such that this side equal to this side. That is DC is equal to ED. You have to prove what? CD is equal to D. It is given. You have to prove AB plus AC greater than BE. AB plus AC. Okay. From the triangle, ABC, what you can write? AB plus AC is greater than what? BC. Understood? AB plus AC is equal to BC. And what is BC? AB plus AC greater than BC means what? BC means BD plus DC. Okay, BD plus DC. Okay, AB plus AC greater BD plus what is DC? DC equal to ED. BD plus ED. Right? Come here. That is AB plus AC greater BD plus ED. BD plus ED. Now AB plus, now see, what is BD plus ED? BD plus ED from triangle this. Again, say given number 1. Again, from triangle EDB. EDB. What you can write? BD plus ED is greater BE. isn't it? Number 2. So what you can write? BD plus ED is greater BE. It is lesser what? AB plus SE. This implies what? AB plus SE is greater BE. Is it? Hence proved. Understood? This is one important problem. Okay. So this is the last problem. And what you will do? All the worked out examples, all solved examples you must see from the exercise. Understood? Then the basic concept will clear from seeing the examples and how to write the problems, the exam hall, some steps. তো আমি যদিও এখানে স্কেলিটাল ওকে মেইন পার্টগুলো লিখেছি, ডিটেলস কিন্তু আমি থিওরিটিক্যাল পার্ট ডিটেলস লিখিনি, সেটা তোমাদের লিখতে হবে। ওকে, জাস্ট আই এক্সপ্লেইনড হিয়ার the main part. What is the basic thing? If you can understand this one, then you will be able to write in details step by step in the exam hall. For that, what you have to do? To practice more. Understood? So that's up to today. Thank you. Good night. Shubharatri.